Are we gonna get in trouble by YouTube because you look like you're sponsored by Nike? Hey guys, it's Deepica. Here's my armpit smell. We are in my home in Los Angeles, and today I do not have Mama Pundu, but do not be disappointed because I have today Catherine over here, who goes by Kate, and she is the creative director for Tinted, and then there's Kylie over here, who you've seen on my channel before, who is my friend since the first grade and now roommate. And we are here making cookies. I really want to create like a Cooking with Deep show on my channel, but I realized like I literally...
Deepica's a terrible cook.
I don't even know, like, what does it even mean to cook? Like, what are measurements, you know? Like, why is that a thing? So anyways, we decided that we're gonna show you how we make cookies.
How I make cookies.
And we eat them.
Let's start by the ingredients. What all do you need to make homemade cookies from scratch?
1 egg.
You gotta teach me.
You're gonna crack the egg.
Oh, the whole thing with the yellow? Okay, Catherine, what's next?
Vanilla. I think it's a tablespoon, teaspoon.
That's two different things.
So we're gonna take this
Okay.
and you're gonna fill that up like halfway. Then you dump that in. Then you're gonna want 1 stick of softened butter.
What happens when you don't own that? What if we just replace it with margarine?
Real taste.
Country crop.
No.
Why is margarine so different from butter? Can someone please tell me what the big deal is? So how much of this am I using?
A half cup of butter.
You're going boxing. I'm over here gonna stay home eating the cookies.
How many tablespoons make a half a cup of butter, Deepica? I don't think this is really how it's supposed to go.
No.
You guys, can everyone just calm down? Cooking doesn't have rules.
This is a lot. Are we sure?
That's good. That's good.
Get it out.
Let's live there.
It looks like ice cream scoops.
Yeah, because it's vegetable oil instead of butter. You start on one.
I'm like really good at this.
If you want to spin the bowl,
So this doesn't look right.
That doesn't look right.
because we didn't use butter.
Okay, but wait, let's go back through the instructions. So right now we're doing all the wet ingredients and mixing it together. And then we go into the dry ingredients, which are
1/2 cup of regular baker's sugar, and then 1/2 cup of brown sugar.
get it.
I get it. Do you get it?
All right, so we're just gonna see how this works, you know? So 1/2 cup of baker's sugar. So, okay, so we're doing 1/2 cup of sugar, then what?
And we're gonna do 1/2 cup of brown sugar, which you need to pack in.
Aren't you supposed to preheat the oven before everything? We forgot to tell people.
But it was
350.
already 375.
375. Oh boy. Okay, don't pull it. You have to keep it in the bowl.
I
So you have to keep it in the
No.
bowl. You have to hold the bowl.
Whoa, keep it down. We need goggles. You guys, when I'm cooking, we need goggles. Flour. What kind of flour? Does it matter?
All-purpose flour.
All-purpose flour. We're sifting, guys. Real talk, I've never sifted anything in my life. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, so wait, sifting, does this just mean can I pour it all in at
So you
once?
pour all in once, yeah.
Oh, and then what's sifting? Like just this?
So you just sort of,
No, shake it.
How important is it versus just putting it in there and mixing it together?
when you sift, it's gonna give you a lot more of like a flaky, even texture.
This is taking way too damn long, and we just need to.
No.
Like, I just want the damn cookie.
Let me speed this process
Yeah.
up a bit. Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
oh, yeah. That I'm impressed. I'm impressed.
It went real quick.
Kylie, sift
easily.
that ish. The sooner you do it, the sooner we get the cookie. The sooner you do it, the sooner we get the cookie. Teaspoon of baking soda.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I usually
Pinch.
just guess.
And you have to
Sifted
sift the
this
baking
too?
soda?
Got it
You
on.
sift all of your powder. You need a little bit of salt.
Really? Thank you for letting me do it.
Now start slow.
Down.
Down. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, that was what. Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
It's really fun. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it like Kylie with a Swifter. That was good.
That was cute.
So these are Nestle Toll House.
So
If you watch Friends, you get it.
I'm putting a little more vanilla for flavor.
Vanilla?
Add the chocolate.
Y'all know what her type is.
No.
That seems like a lot of chocolate. No such thing.
Never.
Never.
That's what she said. Okay. Are we good?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good.
I think I'm wifey material after learning how to make cookies. So we just made these. Basically, you make them into little round circles. It would look apparently different with butter, but Kate made these earlier today with actual butter, and she put sprinkles on it, which was kind of cool. And now that the oven is preheated at 375, we can put them in, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I never know, lower, bottom, top.
I usually go in the middle, and you're kind of at the middle, so you're fine.
Yeah. And then this is the final result. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to see more cooking videos from me, I want to see more cooking videos from me. Honestly, I just need to learn cooking, so I might as well learn it with you guys. So this is like the same way I barely know makeup and I figured it out. We can figure out cooking together. I want to bring people from all different cultures. Like, I've been doing videos with my mom, but I want to do it where I bring my YouTube friends, but not even just YouTube friends, just my friends in general, and bring them onto my channel and learn about their culture. I'd love to bring my Latina friends, oh my god, I should have Fifi come on and teach me something like Eritrean. Like, that would be so cool. Or like Greek and like all the things. Like, I just want to learn all the different cultures and we can talk about it while we're cooking. So let me know down below if you want to see more of these, who you want to see on here, what cultures you want to see kind of represented. I'd love to kind of do all of them. So thank you so much, and subscribe, comment, like, do all the things, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I want to eat these cookies now. It just smells like butter. Oh. Ah! Also, we have... I wish we showed that. Everyone's okay. I don't know what I'm doing.
Whoa! The mess is insane.
We're going down the escalator?
Yeah.
We're so fun. We have to get to say hi, though.